So when you say when I fill up the numbers, I face the reality, correct? I face the mirror, right? And facing the mirror is the hardest thing in the life. Do you believe on it? When you see yourself on the mirror, you're not supposed to impress anybody, isn't it? You are alone, and you know what we are doing, how much we are doing, and why we are not doing, why we are doing. We all know that. So that's called expectations gap. That I expect this. My intention is this, but I am trying to do this, but I actually am doing right now this. Is it clear? And that's fine. That's okay. But see, if you can do this, you can do this also. बट यहां से लेके यहां तक का जो काम है ना, वो फिर कुछ सर्टेन प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जहां पे आपको अपने आप को लेवरेज, दैट्स द पॉइंट एंड टुडे विल टॉक अबाउट, राइट? डू यू नो, if you read the book which I talked to you, 99% sales professional in this world, they don't count their numbers. Can you repeat what I told you right now?
Almost 99% people don't count their numbers.
And do you know why they don't count the numbers? Can you tell me why they don't? Because once upon a time, you were also not counting your numbers. And you were an MDRT that time. Yeah? It means a quite okay success in your business, in your profession. But still you are not counting the number. Why?
Complacency.
Yes. What else?
Feeling the hard reality that if I'm not doing what I'm expecting, what I'm under impression. For example, I'm dreaming, right? So I don't want to be waken up by any thought that say it's a dream. It's not reality. So
Right.
same thing I just happened that I thought that I am doing a good job in terms of action, but in reality, actions are good, appreciated, but what was needed and what was done. So there is a huge gap.
Correctly. Rightly said. Kamal, really appreciate that, your word. You are absolutely talking right sense. That makes sense. That there's a difference between dream and wishful thinking. Dream and a wishful thinking. A wishful thinkers are everywhere. They are moron. They are, I would say, idiot. I'm sorry I use this kind of word. Nothing to, not to attack anybody, but this is my style. See, though most people like to stay on their own zone. They don't want to work hard. They don't want to do to work out. They don't want to take pain. They want to stay relaxed. I can give you guarantee that a lot of people are watching right now. There's a Bihar election voting is going on. And even they don't belong to Bihar. Even they have nothing to do with this Bihar. But still they watch. You know why? Because they're in their subconscious mind, something is ingrained by the society and the external world. उनको लगता है कि यार ये तो चल रहा है, चलो देखिए कौन चल रहा है. You know why? क्योंकि उनके अपने लाइफ के, उनका अपना जो इलेक्शन है वो क्लियर नहीं है. जैसे आपको अपना इलेक्शन क्लियर है ना, दिसंबर 2020 में रिजल्ट आएगा उसका. Either you will lose or you will win. वो हमारा इलेक्शन है, हमें उसमें फोकस करना है. If you lose, it means हमने वो काम ही नहीं किया जो करना चाहिए. If you win, it means we did it. So similarly, we don't count our numbers because you rightly said we want to stay on the zone कि मैं कर तो रहा हूँ, but actually we don't want to see the reality. But that's okay. But world-class people, they say their reality on a daily basis. I have prepared a monthly journal which is almost ready. You will be getting in this occasion of Diwali. उसमें एवरीथिंग आई हैव मेंशन, एवरी सिंगल डे आपने कितनी फोन कॉल्स की, किसको फोन कॉल किया, क्या हुआ, एक ही पूरा मंथ का आपका जनरल है, सो दैट आपके नंबर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड नहीं रहेंगे एंड यू कैन काउंट योरसेल्फ व्हाट यू डिड. सो आई विल टॉक मोर अबाउट इट वंस आई विल गिव इट टू यू, राइट?
Hi. So if you like the ideology, if you like the content, and if you think that is something which you saw in this video is really valuable, then you do one thing. You can explore how my system and methodology can help you to grow your sales, grow your business, grow your revenue. For that, you do one thing. You don't trust on me. You trust on yourself. Do your research. What I suggest to you, I'm offering a free sales growth discovery session, which you can do by clicking on the link. And once you click on it, you will land on a page and you can schedule it for free. And on that session, I will tell you basics, nuts and bolts. What is the challenge? What you need to overcome? What is the problem? And how you can fix it. Within 30 days, you will see the difference in your mindset and your revenue and growth. And I will also give you my book called Sales Ka Sikandar for free. That's my gift to you, because I believe giving and sharing is all equal to receiving. Once I give, I receive it. So thank you very much for watching me, and I will encourage you, highly encourage you to schedule a session with me, and then you see how your business and sales can grow. Thank you very much. You can subscribe this channel and you can give me a comment also. Thank you very much.